Would you like to use the spoon to feed yourself? You want to use the spoon? There you go, you can use the spoon. Good boy! Okay, if you don't knock the bowl.
Is that nice? Nice, little man.
It's cold, look. It's cold on the tummy, look.
No, eat it.
Come on.
I don't think.
That's just messing.
Connor, are you eating the yogurt? Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing?
What's he doing, Gabe? Oh, Connor.
No, don't rub it in. No, don't rub it in. Why?
You want some more?
Can you eat it? Good boy.
What about your spoon? Is yours nice for you? Tap?
Nice.
Oh, no. That's not what we're supposed to do.
Uh-oh.
Head.
What was that nod for?
Down there. Trying to get past. Okay.
Nice, slap in the belly.
So you don't have that's the best skin prick test you can ever do, isn't it?
What? No, you're not getting that.
Hello. Hi. Where's your flies? Get rid
Say,
of
go
those
away,
flies.
flies.
Go away, flies. Connor, that's actually splashing everywhere, buddy. Should we clean it up a little bit?
What's mommy doing?
Want some more? There we go.
Nice, that's the way to do it. More?
Someday we'll get the concept of feeding oneself, won't we?
Nice.
No more. No more.
What's going on? I think he wants the ball.
The bowl, do you think?
I'm
dirty, aren't you?
standing down.
Don't stand it, you'll slip.
No.
What's that?
Okay,
Who are you calling?